Most people get this wrong. They see ads for a game like Match to Win and assume one of two things. Either it's an easy way to make money, or it's automatically a scam. The truth is usually somewhere in the middle. In this honest Match to Win review for 2026, you'll learn how the app works, whether it's legitimate, what to expect before you play, and the biggest red flags you should watch for before investing your time. Let's answer the main question immediately. Is Match to Win legit or a scam? The answer depends on what you mean by legit. An app can be a legitimate game and still not be a reliable source of income. That's the distinction many users miss. If Match to Win is operating as a real gaming platform, pays users according to its published rules, and provides clear terms and conditions, it may be considered legitimate. However, that does not mean every player will earn rewards or achieve the results shown in advertisements. For example, John downloads the app after seeing someone claim they earned money quickly. He expects the same outcome. But after several days, he realizes rewards depend on factors like gameplay performance, available offers, location, and the app's current reward structure. But here's the problem. Many players focus only on potential earnings and ignore the actual game mechanics. Before spending significant time on any reward-based app, you should understand exactly how points, rewards, or payouts are earned. Now here's where it gets interesting. The smartest way to evaluate Match to Win is not by looking at marketing claims. Instead, look at 3 key areas. First, check whether the app clearly explains its reward system. Second, review withdrawal requirements and payout methods. Third, look for recent user experiences and updates rather than relying on old information. This is where most people fail. They assume that because one user earned rewards, everyone will get the same results. Gaming and reward apps often produce different experiences depending on location, activity level, and individual performance. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to protect yourself when testing any reward app. Start small. Never assume future rewards are guaranteed. Test the app's features, understand the rules, and verify withdrawal requirements before investing large amounts of time. This simple approach can help you avoid disappointment and make better decisions. Another important point is that legitimate gaming apps typically provide customer support, clear policies, and transparent reward structures. If information is difficult to find or promises sound unrealistic, proceed carefully. So what's the final verdict? Match to Win may be worth exploring if you enjoy the gameplay itself and maintain realistic expectations. However, it should not be viewed as guaranteed income or a replacement for traditional earnings. You now know the key questions to ask before downloading any reward-based gaming app in 2026. If this review helped you, leave a comment with your experience, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest app reviews, comparisons, and money app guides.